Our customers are the lifeblood of our business, so when they give us a glowing review, we love telling everyone about it. And that's because we're focused on giving each customer a 5-star experience. Let me share what one of our customers had to say about us. And here's what our customer had to say in our latest online review. Our staff works hard to deliver top quality service and optimal value. It's just one more bit of evidence that we're on the right track with our company-wide emphasis on quality and client satisfaction. So whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value all customers, new and old, and treat them equally with great customer service. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can call us at the number on the screen. We hope to hear from you soon.